Find features that differentiate it from other brands for SmartSee HD wireless display dongle adapter. Because, consists of highlight features as follows. What it is. 4K wireless HD display receiver. SmartSee HD wireless display dongle adapter mirrors a small screen to a large one. It is a compact screen mirroring receiver that connects directly to your TV, monitor, or projector via HD port. It allows you to wirelessly mirror or cast content from smartphones, tablets, and computers without cables or complex installation. How it works: simple connection. No driver installation required. Just plug, connect, mirror screen, plug the dongle into the HD port, power it via USB and switch to selected channel, then follow the on-screen to connect your device. The dongle creates a stable wireless display bridge between your source device and the screen within seconds. What it can do: screen mirroring in landscape and portrait mode. Delivers 4K decoding and Full HD 1080p video output for clear presentations, videos, photos, apps, documents, and web content. Ideal for screen mirroring, screencasting, wireless presentations, video streaming, and real-time content sharing with low latency. Press the button on the dongle to switch between landscape and portrait mode. Where and when to use: home, office, classroom and travel. Perfect for home entertainment, business meetings, classroom teaching, conference rooms, training sessions, and travel use. Easily share screens during meetings, stream videos at home, or display learning materials without switching cables or devices. Why choose SmartSee dongle? Wide compatible and product update. Supports multiple systems, including iOS, Mac OS, and Android. SmartSee dongle has been updated according to customers' voice. Easier connection: we improved the setup process by allowing users to connect quickly by scanning a QR code. Improved Android compatibility: Android connection issues have been fixed. For Android users, our dedicated app helps guide the connection process smoothly. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.